Hello students, our today's topic is drug acting on serotonergic system. So it is very complicated system because it has many receptors. So we will discuss one by one. This is our overview. We can discuss from introduction to summary. So introduction. Serotonin or 5-hydroxytryptamine is the another name of serotonin, and it is a biogenic monoamine. Uh, Autocoids, it is autocoids like histamine. It is a biogenic monoamine, and it is a neurotransmitter in CNS and have prominent peripheral action. So where serotonin is found? Serotonin is found in ZIT. 90%, more than 90% found in ZIT in enterochromaffin cells, then in platelets and CNS. This is the chemical structure of serotonin: 3 beta aminoethyl 5 hydroxyindole. Then, how the serotonin synthesized? Just like noradrenaline, it is synthesized from L-tryptophan amino acid, while noradrenaline is synthesized from tyrosine. Then, with the help of rate limiting enzyme tryptophan hydroxylase, it converts into L5 hydroxytryptophan. Then, with the help of enzyme decarboxylase, it converts into 5 hydroxytryptamine. So after formation, it will metabolize just like noradrenaline by MAO, monoamine oxidase, 5-hydroxyindole acetaldehyde. Then major pathway is toward aldehyde dehydrogenase, uh, by which 5-hydroxyindole acetic acid 5-HIA is formed. Then minor one is by aldehyde reductase. It can convert into 5-hydroxytryptophan. So it is similar like noradrenaline. Rate limiting enzyme is tryptophan hydroxylase, and MAO is the metabolic enzyme. Then classification of 5-HT receptor. Previously, it was classified by Gadam and Pickrelli into two, M and D. Now, newer classification based on molecular characterization, it is classified as 5-HT1 to 5-HT7, and 5-HT1 again classified into their subtypes like 1A, B, D, E, F, P, and 2 again sub classified in its subtype in 2A, 2B, and 2C. Then so total 14 receptors are there until now. Then serotonergic pathway. Uh, Student, see this, the red lines. This is the pathway of serotonergic system, from the raphe medial raphe. It goes into the hypothalamus, then neocortex, stratum, thalamus, and whole the brain as a neurotransmitter. Then structural families. Uh, 5-HT3 are ligand gated ion channel, while other 1, 2, and 4 to 7 are G protein coupled receptors. Then 5-HT1 receptors have 6 members, and it is G protein, and it inhibit the analyze cyclase and activate potassium channel and inhibit calcium channel. Then 5-HT is a autoreceptor, means it is present presynaptically and somatodendric. There are two types of autoreceptor: presynaptic autoreceptor 5-HT1V1D, and somatodendric is 5-HT1A, and it inhibit the autoreceptors inhibit the transmission, the release of 5-HT, and there is also a postsynaptic 5-HT1 receptor. Then 5-HT1A location is present in raphe nuclei or brain stem. Then function is neural inhibition. Other function is also there. Then 1D, 1V present in substantia nigra and basal ganglia, and main function is cranial vasoconstriction, and other functions are also there. And three subtypes we already discussed, and it couples to G protein and activate phospholipase 3, then form the IP3DAG pathway. Then it inhibits the potassium channel also. Then 5-HT2A is post junction on vascular and visceral smooth muscles. Main action is contraction and platelet aggregation. Then 5-HT2B gastric fundus में होता है and it is a contraction. Then 5-HT2C Conversely, produces vasodilation through EDRF release, endothelium dependent relaxing factor. Then 5-HT3 receptors are, as we previously discussed, it is a ligand gated ion channel. Okay, so it is located in parasympathetic terminal GI tracts and its function as a hepatic reflex nausea vomiting. And 5-HT4 is also a Z protein, but it activates the adenylate cyclase and increases the cyclic AMP. It is present in GIT and CNS, and it evokes the intestinal secretion and peristalsis movement of our intestine. Then 5, 6, and 7 are not very important because drug has not developed, and mostly it is present in CNS and to the circadian rhythm or cognition. Then action of 5-HT or serotonin is and blood pressure is the triphasic response. Early sharp fall, brief rise, and prolonged fall. Early fall is due to basal gyrus reflex. It is a chemoreflex, coronary chemoreflex, causes bradycardia, hypertension, and apnea. Then brief rise due to vasoconstriction, and prolonged fall is due to dilatation of blood vessels. Then effect on blood vessel and hemostasis. When we got vascular injury, it initiates the platelet aggregation that releases the 5-HT, and 5-HT2 a receptor, it causes the vasoconstriction, hemostasis, thrombus formation. Then in heart it is positive inotropic and chronotropic, meaning increase the heart rate and force of contraction. In GIT it increases the peristalsis secretion, in bronchi bronchoconstriction, and glands it secretes acid and pepsin, inhibit but increase the mucus production, so it is have ulcer protective property. And in nerve ending it causes activation of afferent nerve ending, causes tingling and pricking sensation and pain. Respiration, brief stimulation of respiration and hyperventilation due to coronary causes apnea. Platelet aggregators, CNS, sleepiness, body temperature, hunger, and behavioral effects. Physiological role as a neurotransmitter, as a precursor of melatonin. 5-HT is a precursor of melatonin in pineal gland. Then neuroendocrine functions, nausea and vomiting we already discussed. Then migraine, in migraine it has role hemostasis, clot formation, Raynaud's phenomenon, because 5-HT that release from platelet cause the acute vasospastic episodes of large arteries. Hypertension, dysfunction, motility increases, carcinoid tumor. Yes, carcinoid tumor produces massive amount of 5-HT that leads to verbal hypermotility and bronchoconstriction. Then agonist is triptans, 5-HT, 1V, 1D agonist, all sumatriptan, triptan, frovatriptan, naratriptan, solmitriptan, and azatriptan. It mediated constriction of dilated cranial blood vessels in the migraine patient and relief from the acute attacks of moderate to severe migraine that are not responding to analgesics. They are the pharmacokinetics of these individual agents. Then side effects is tightness hand and chest, but contraindicated we have to remember that it's ischemic heart disease, hypertension, papillicity. We not prescribe this triptans. Then 5-HT4 agonist is prokinetic drugs. All metoclopramide, cisapride, mosapride, these are agonist of 5-HT4 receptor, and it useful in GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease, gastroparesis, but it causes prolonged QT interval and toxicity points. Then azapyrones is 5-HT1 a partial agonist like buspirone, gpyrone, and sapirone, useful in anxiety disorder. And LSD is non-selective 5-HT agonist and it is a potent hallucinogen. Lorcaserin is 5-HT2C agonist and it is an anti-obesity drug approved for weight loss. Then antagonist is ondansetron, granisetron are 5-HT3 antagonist, useful in nausea and vomiting in and chemotherapy and radiotherapy patients. Then its individual are pharmacokinetics, and 5-HT2 antagonist is trazodone and efazodone. It is a atypical antidepressant useful in depression and anxiety. Supraptidine also blocks 5-HT2A, additional H1 antihistaminic anticonvulsant. Its main indication in carcinoid tumor, migraine prophylaxis, and it is appetite stimulant in pediatric patients. And methylsergide is 2A2C antagonist, useful in migraine prophylaxis and Carcinoid syndrome. And ketenserin is a 5-HT2 receptor antagonist and it is used in Raynaud's disease. Clozapine and risperidone, olanzapine, quetiapine are useful in schizophrenia. It has some role in this 5-HT2A agonist. Then drug affecting as synthesis inhibitor like PCPA, it inhibits tryptophan hydroxylase. Uptake inhibitor are SSRI, SNRI, tricyclic antibodies. These are selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. All are uptake inhibitors. Just like you see in picture. Number second pictures of nerve terminals, SERT, that reuptake by SERT 5-HT and inhibit by SSRI, TCA and SNRI. Just like TCA and SNRI also inhibit the non-epinephrine transporters. Okay. Then serotonin is important when we give MAO inhibitor with the SSRI, then it increases the concentration of SSRI and leads to serotonin syndrome, hypothermia, muscle rigidity, myoclonus, and leads to coma and death. Treatment is stop all serotonergic drug. Storage inhibitor is azerpine, just like noradrenaline. High indication is hypertension. Degradation inhibitor, MAO inhibitors, and non-selective MAO. Then mirtazapine is an noradrenergic specific serotonin antidepressant. Indication in severe depression with insomnia. So we completed our chapter. Hope you understand. Thank you.